Nara is a city steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty, offering a glimpse into Japan's ancient past. As Japan's first permanent capital, it holds a wealth of historical treasures, including magnificent temples, serene gardens, and traditional streets that transport visitors back in time. One of Nara's most iconic attractions is Nara Park, where over 1,000 friendly free-roaming deer, the sacred messengers of the gods in Shinto belief, interact playfully with visitors. Feeding them special shika senbei, deer crackers, has become a beloved experience, making the park a must-visit destination. At the heart of Nara's historical significance is the awe-inspiring Tōdai-ji Temple, home to the Daibutsu, the world's largest bronze Buddhist statue. This colossal figure, housed within the grand wooden Great Buddha Hall, symbolizes peace and wisdom, drawing visitors from all over the world. Nearby, the Kasuga Taisha Shrine, famous for its thousands of stone and bronze lanterns, offers a serene atmosphere where spirituality and nature harmoniously blend. Beyond its spiritual and historical landmarks, Nara boasts traditional districts filled with charming tea houses, artisan shops, and cultural experiences. The city's rich culinary heritage includes specialties like kamameshi, flavorful rice cooked in an iron pot with seasonal ingredients, and local sake, offering a taste of its deep-rooted traditions. With its ancient temples, picturesque landscapes, and welcoming atmosphere, Nara provides a tranquil yet profound journey into Japan's past. Whether exploring its sacred sites, wandering through lush parks, or immersing in its traditional culture, Nara is a destination that captivates history lovers and nature enthusiasts alike.